I want my mama. I want my blankie. Or I want my MTV. All right, I dig coffee cups. I just collect them. Sometimes I put pins in them. Sometimes I put little snacks like Hershey Kisses. And sometimes I even put coffee. And if you look at my coffee, it's like white because I put so much cream and flavoring in it that I put about 25% coffee to about 75% cream. That's why my coffee is the best. It is awesome. And so's Live Good coffee. It's very orgasmic. It's organic too, with magic mushrooms in it. And if you want to see what the ingredients are, all you got to do is just go to livegood.com, okay? And sit back, relax, and just talk to a webcam, or maybe email, or maybe make some business cards, and just invite people to watch your Live Good capture page video. Okay? Live Good couldn't be any more easy than it is right now. Okay? It's at the end of November of 2024. You can really overcomplicate things when you join these types of businesses. Okay? There are systems and techniques and tools that basically give you eyeballs, traffic, and attention to your capture page, because at the end of the day, that is your goal. You just want people to click, and then they just sit back and hopefully with a coffee or maybe on their cell phone behind their steering wheel in their car. A lot of times you lay in bed and you just sit there and your eyes are all blurry because your phone is like 1 inch from your face. But people like to watch video. I think you guys do. That's why you're watching this one. Now, sure, emailing still works. I'm a big fan of email. I send out well over 100,000 emails per day right now. And yes, I do have other income besides Live Good. And they're all affordable. And I hope that you look into what else I do. What other things do I got cooking to help this beautiful steak called Live Good taste delicious? Salt, pepper, A1 sauce. Put some grilled onions on that bad boy. Some people put a little bit of garlic. They have that powder, steak flavor powder. I think they have like chocolate meatloaf flavored steak powder. I mean, there's so many things you can do to a steak. But, you know, Live Good just by itself is pretty darn good. Okay? But you can't overcomplicate what your goal is. And I'm speaking as an affiliate because with Live Good, we do have awesome products. And you can buy them just like going to walmart.com. You can go to livegood.com, shop away. Now, if you think you're going to buy our products each month, you probably want to be a member. Pay $10 a month, and you'll find that you're going to save anywhere from $20 to $50, sometimes $75 a month. All right? We are a wholesale-based company. We are a membership company. Okay? When you're a member, you just go and livegood.com and you shop away. Everything is completely wholesale when you just have an active membership. And the exact price is $9.95. I like to say 10 because sometimes I say $9.95 and they'll go, God, $1,000 a month. What are you guys selling? I'm like, well, if you want to join me right now for $1,000, I mean, that's cool with me. You only need to actually spend $49.95. All right, $9.95 and then $40 one-time activation fee. Boom, to be an affiliate. But no, we're not $995. Okay, now for $99.95, $100 minus 5 little pennies, you can become a member for a year. Okay, so you get 12 months for the price of 10. Is that 10 fingers? All right. That's a pretty good deal. But it's up to you. I don't make any more or less. If you want to join by the month for $9.95, that's awesome. Do what your budget, like go by your gut. Go by your stomach and go, you know, I have $40. I have 10. I think I got 50. Go ahead and join just for $49.95. All right? I'm in no rush. Okay? I just invite everyone to joincory.com on my business cards. Sometimes it looks cool when I do this. Looks like I'm just balling, isn't it? Boy, look at that. Almost looks like a turkey tail. It's almost Thanksgiving right now. Today is number 22, 11/22 of 24. Thanksgiving is on the way. And I hope you guys are very thankful for whatever you have or don't have. But it's a good day if you're sitting here relaxing, watching my video. You know what? That's awesome, man. But let's bring a little bit more joy, happiness, and some more moolah, okay? Some more moolah in your life.